What's the meaning of bicarbonate? Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate, also known as hydrogen carbonate, is a chemical compound containing the bicarbonate anion, HCO3-. It is a key component of the human body's buffering system, helping to regulate pH levels by neutralizing excess acid. Bicarbonate is commonly found in many mineral springs and in the form of baking soda. It is used medically as an antacid to relieve heartburn, indigestion, and other gastrointestinal issues, as well as to treat metabolic acidosis. In addition, bicarbonate is used in various industrial processes such as water treatment, as a fire extinguisher, and in the production of plastics and detergents.